Is there more than that?
7.
There's 42 bridges.
Did I cross all of them?
That's 42. We're going to be going under Boca Chica Bridge. Under it straight that way. It's the 41st on the way in and the 2nd on the way out. Right here is Boca Chica. That's actually 3 islands up from Key West. So guys, we're going to pull up to the bridge. I'll put my brake light up. We'll all slow down. And then after that, once we're all through the other side, we'll pick up the pace again. And then our next stop will be on the Atlantic side. Just let y'all know the Atlantic is going to be rougher than this. Okay? Just giving y'all a little heads up. So guys, let me see by a show of hands who knows they want to go fast. Alright man, you'll be number 1 behind me. I'll be number 2. What about y'all? You'll be number 3. You're number 4, okay? Starting up one at a time. And just remember, stay on the bubble trail, especially through here. 10 feet away from us, it'll be like 3 inches deep. So just stay on my bubble trail, watch out for boats, and keep that distance 300 feet, 100 meters.
I like the other side better.
How's everybody doing?
Good. That was
Alright
fun.
guys, now we're on the Atlantic side. I'm sure you can tell the difference.
Yes.
Guys, like I was saying, Boca Chica. Right there, that's 3 islands up from Key West. Key West as far as you can see down. And then we have Stock Island right here where we pick our buddies up from jail, all that good stuff. And then Key Haven, and Boca Chica. Boca Chica has one of the 2 Top Gun flight schools in the United States. It usually looks like a big game of laser tag in the sky here with jets. It's pretty cool. And it's also got the 2nd largest airplane runway in the United States. Right there behind those trees. Guys, also about 7 or 8 miles out is our reef. We have the 3rd largest reef in the world that stretches up the Keys. Y'all know where the first 2 are? Yep, that's number 1. Belize? You're the first group that actually got them. This is the first. Belize. Yeah, guys, if it wasn't for that reef, Key West and none of the other keys would be here. We'd just be taking over my water. So thank you to the reef for bringing us Key West. Alright guys, our next stop is going to be as far down land as you can see that way, okay? Pretty much where that white ball is. Alright? do y'all still like y'all's order?
Yeah, it's fine.
Alright guys, just remember, watch out for boats, stay on the bubble trail, keep your distance. They're doing a great job.
You have to pee? You can jump in. You will. Climb up and back. I'll help you.
How's everybody doing? Find some waves to jump? Alright guys, y'all know where we are? I have no clue.
Connecticut.
Connecticut? Alright guys, right here we have Mount Trashmore. That's our ski slope. Business isn't too good. No, just kidding guys. That's where Key West used to dump all its trash till I think the 70s. And they quit doing that. Now it all goes up to Miami where it belongs. Had to make sure nobody was from Miami first. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of free time ride again. You do what y'all want to do. If y'all want to switch drivers, whatever y'all want, this will be a good time. Boundaries, I'll be sitting over here by land. Don't go any closer to land than I am. Don't go to the other side of the power line poles. Right on the other side, I don't know if y'all can see them, but there's rocks right on the other side. And you'll see where these three are right next to each other on the end. Kind of draw a little circled line to the tip of this little island right behind us. So y'all got this big area to do what y'all want to do. Just remember, watch out for boats. Even try to double your distance. No reason for 45-mile-an-hour high fives and all that fun stuff. Don't leave with a tour. Like I said, another jet ski tour. When it's time for y'all to come back in, I'll wave you in and we'll meet right here again. Sound good?
Thank you.
Stay seated till we get everybody